Hello, welcome to the second day in my life. Hold on, let me open these blinds and then I'll chat. So the first one did really well, the first day of my life. So this is going to be a regular thing on my channel and I'm excited about that. Right now, I'm going to make a quick cup of coffee. Don't know why I said it intense like that. Still waking up, so. I'm just looking at my planner here, my loud Keurig, and I have a workout class in an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for that. You guys probably noticed my knee brace thing. I just put this on last night because at around 5 p.m. I started getting knee pain in this knee. So I was like, let me go ahead and throw this on to try to prevent it from getting worse. Let's take it off, see if it did. So far so good, but I'm about to go work out and probably re-injure it again. I don't even know what happened because I didn't feel me hurt myself during the class, and my class was like at 9. Yeah, it was like 9:30 or something like that, and it didn't start hurting until like 5 p.m. so I don't know. Okay, all ready. And my coffee just finished and it's hot as HE double hockey sticks. But I'm gonna go stand outside for a minute. What's the temperature? Already 82 degrees and it's 9 a.m. Why does it have to be so hot in Memphis? I honestly don't think it has to be this hot. All the plants and the bugs will live just fine 10 degrees cooler. Like, come on. Let's go outside though. Oh. 2 wasps just came out of nowhere. So I need to water all my plants. So I'm getting this water the right temp. Yesterday's workout, I was not feeling it at all. Today I feel a little bit better, so hopefully I can rock it out. I think this one needs a little bit more water. I just remembered that I need a headband, so let me go get that. I'm actually about to call my mom, and then that's probably gonna spill into walking into my workout class. Headband is on. Let's see what she's doing. Good morning, children. Good morning, mama. All right, you guys, I am headed to class. My mom's in my ear, so headed to class now. Just finished 11.7 miles, so I'm proud of myself for that. Oh, my camera's fogging up. It's just so freaking humid and hot out here, but it's air conditioned in there. I got some groceries to get. I want to make some tortilla soup. My specialty dish, if you will, is I make it seem like it's such an amazing dish, but it's chicken with rice soup. I'm really good at making that, but I want to try making some tortilla soup, so I looked up a recipe for it, which I'm going to change up some of it, but I need the ingredients. I'm either going to make it today or tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. 11 o'clock right now, and I actually have a consultation for laser tattoo removal. So if you guys know, I have a humongous tattoo on my right outer thigh. That tattoo was a mistake from the jump. I should have never gotten the tattoo. I didn't even like it when he put the print on me. Back then I was really afraid. I had gotten all the way there and he was expecting to do the tattoo, and I just felt bad saying no at that stage, and I absolutely should have said no because I didn't like it. At a point in time I tried to like it, but I never really liked it, and it just looks bad, especially from far away. Up close, it just, anyway. So it's a rose. Y'all probably didn't even know what it was. It's a rose with freaking leopard print in it. Oh my God, I don't even know what I was thinking. So I really want that removed. I've been wanting it removed for years, probably since like an hour after I got it done. I'm not gonna tell y'all what age I got it, but let's just say I was under 18 and I did not get permission. So take it from me. Anyway, so I have a consultation for removal. I might not necessarily like pay to get it done right now, but I do want to figure out the pricing and all that. I'm hoping before the end of the year I will start the process for it, because I think it takes about like 6 treatments. But anyway, long story to say that, but I felt like I should explain that, and that's why I've never really showed that tattoo up close, because I hate it. I'm about to go to the grocery store and hopefully do that, get dressed before my appointment, because it's at 12:45. So I think I have time though. We are back. Okay, so I am really hungry, so I'm going to make some scrambled eggs real quick and a smoothie, and then jump in the shower, hopefully all in 30 minutes. Can I do it? I doubt it, but I'm gonna try. Plate literally looks so sad, but imagine the fruit in there on the other side. I clearly don't have a good sense of time, because if I left right now, I would make it 2 minutes before the appointment, so I don't have time for a shower. So what I'm gonna do is go like this, but I am going to change my bottoms. I'm gonna have to dirty up some other clothes so they can actually see my tattoo, because I have on leggings right now. That sucks. I thought I had time to eat, and I clearly didn't, because now I can't shower. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw on some like sheer shorts that I've had since I was in high school. Let's hit it. Wish I would have been able to shower first, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Boom. Hey, good, how are you? Okay, so just made it. I kinda am slick nervous because I feel like I don't have enough clothes on to protect me from this pandemic. Anyway. So I am back at home. I definitely am a little bit spazzed because I wasn't expecting to actually do a treatment, and I wasn't expecting it to hurt that much. So I did one treatment of laser tattoo removal, and it still hurts. It's still stinging. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what it looks like right now. I'm actually scared to look at it because it hurts now, and I feel like once I see it, if it looks strange, then this might hurt even worse, if that makes any sense. I still feel like I'm slightly shaking from like the trauma, but I'm glad I got to at least see how it was gonna feel, so I can know now, because I've always been curious on how it would feel, but definitely hurts. This is what she put on it, just like a little gauze, and then she taped the siding. I actually didn't get to film much of it, to be honest. It started hurting too bad, so I had to focus on the pain. Just to think in the car when I was saying probably not gonna do it now, but I want to get some information for the future of when I do start doing it. How funny is it that I actually did it? That's so me, so me, so something I would do. So now I'm about to edit this Instagram video that I'm gonna be posting in August, but I gotta get it turned in today. So I'm on the phone with my mom, and I realized I came here to wash my face because I realized I need to throw on some makeup because I have this meeting. I don't even know how to explain it. I have a Zoom. Oh, my mama literally talking to me. I didn't say hold on. I suck. Hold on, ma. And so it's hard to explain really what the meeting is. It's like a showroom. I need to do my makeup really quick so I'm a little bit more presentable. I feel like I'm waddling all over the house. I'm like limping because of my leg. right, you guys, I just finished. I'm like running all over the place because it starts right now. Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you? Okay, so it's actually been a little longer than right after that Zoom meeting. I ate like a little snack, actually take a shower. I'm kind of nervous because my leg is still tender. Take off my makeup and everything. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It didn't make it worse or anything. It just was tender the same way it was before I got in the shower. That's a good thing. Now I'm gonna put on this lotion stuff that I got from the place. It's called the Laser Balm Post-Procedure Healing Ointment. And honestly, it looks more bold after she did it, but I'm sure that's just because freshly irritated or whatever the case. So I didn't get to finish editing the video that I was editing earlier before I had the Zoom meeting. So I'm going to finish it right now. So just got finished editing that video and sent it over. I actually wanted to give you guys an update on something that I haven't talked about in a while. You guys might have been wondering what happened to the apartment makeover videos. They're still coming. I actually had to put myself on no by July, so I haven't been able to buy anything, and that's basically, to sum it all up, I'm not buying anything other than groceries and bills this month. So next month I will be getting back to that. So the next room you guys will see is actually my dining room, because that's the next room I have an idea for. But yeah, they are definitely still coming. I just can't buy none this month, which this month is literally almost over. Today is actually July 28th. I didn't even tell you guys that at the beginning of this video. 3 days until August, which means it's 3 days till a week before my birthday. I'm actually really excited for my birthday. Because I'm on no by July, I haven't been able to buy my birthday dress. Not that I'm going to be able to wear it anywhere, but I still want to take photos to post on Instagram. I know, hopefully overnighting my dress next week. But yeah, that's just a mini update on the apartment makeover and everything. The videos are still coming. I'm actually about to watch maybe a few episodes of Billions. My Uncle Kevin put my dad on to the show, and then my dad put me and my mom on to the show. We've been watching Billions separately, like all of us separately watched it. My dad's already done, and my mom is probably like 2 or 3 episodes behind me, and then I'm where I'm at. Let me know if you guys have watched it down in the comments. It's on Showtime. So I just finished about like 2 episodes. Oh, it's so bright in here. And it's about 10:15, and I actually have to be up pretty early in the morning. So I am going to put on my retainer and head to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope it was entertaining. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.